Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, before we get into this video, yes, I know I look different, but if you've been here for a while, you've seen me in this on more than one occasion. I'm not always in my civilian clothes. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do when you gotta do it, how you gotta do it. And right now, this is one of those chances. But if you're new, hit that big button down below, man. If it's still red, you're doing it all wrong, man. Come over here and join the movement. That button should be gray. We on the road, man. We're about 15, 16 subscribers away from 1,700, which is an amazing milestone. We still on the road to 2,000 supporters by the end of August. And the main goal for the year is 5,000 supporters. So tell a friend to come over here and join our team, man. Join Bobby Sneaker World. And we're going to get into some today, which you're already going to read in the title and in the, you're going to see in the thumbnail, which got you to click on this video, is we're going to get into this Staple Pigeons haul. This will be my first time ever owning anything from Staple Pigeon. But I've had this package for a while. I haven't opened it, obviously. But on the 13th, June 13th, I was on Twitter and I just seen some random Staple Pigeon sale. Like it said 70. Anytime you see 75% off anything, I'm clicking. I'm just gonna click on it. So I clicked on it and it was a flash sale. So it was like 24 hours. I think, well, at least I seen it at night. And all of the stuff on there, like the hoodies and stuff, were like $15. The t-shirts were like $8, stuff like that. So I took full advantage. I filled my cart up, man. There's a few things that I got cart jacked on that I really wanted, man. I really wanted this Staple Pigeons t-shirt. I think it was like the jeweled one or whatever it's called that I missed out on in my size. But I did get 5 pieces. Now, which is going to be good for this video, I don't even remember exactly because it's been almost 2 weeks, at least 10 days since I ordered this stuff. I don't even remember the 5 things that I ordered. So we're going to be surprised together here on the channel. So let me get myself situated and we're going to crack into this bag and we're going to see these 5 pieces together. All right, y'all. So this package came in from New Jersey, I believe. And I don't even remember how much I paid. I think I paid less than $100 for every single thing. Well, I know I paid less than $100. I might have paid less than 75 for all 5 pieces. And if any of you guys have worn or ordered anything from Staple, you know that this stuff is not cheap. It's not cheap quality, and it's some of the stuff can be pretty expensive. So I'm excited to see exactly what I'll try to, if I can go back in my receipt and find the retail prices versus, well, the retail prices are here, but what I actually paid for them, I'll try to put that on the screen if I can remember to edit it in. But anyway, with all that being said, let's get into each one of these pieces. Right here I can see, I don't own anything Gucci, but people say the Gucci colorway of stuff. This is I think this is a short sleeve and a Gucci colorway tee. Fire piece. It has the pigeon. Wow, this is dope. And this is, oh, this is the long sleeve. And this is heavy quality. Now, this piece is world-renowned Staple 1975. Look at this. Look at the quality. Look at all of the embroidery on this piece right here. You have the pigeon obviously outlined, embroidered in white thread, but all of this inside here is like a hunter green, and then you got your world-renowned in like a quilted red. All down each sleeve you have the green stripe with the red piping inside that on the long sleeve. Now, retail price on this, 48 doll hairs. $48. I don't remember what I paid. I'm gonna put it on the screen, but I didn't pay $48. Now that's one thing. I paid like $75 for this entire haul. This t-shirt alone was $48 retail. That's one. Next piece, another t-shirt, another pigeon on the front. Now this is really dope. I like this because I like the argyle lettering behind the pigeon. Now this is another long sleeve. You got your white pigeon on the front, black embroidery. Now behind it, this was reminiscent of like your Ralph Lauren polo type. You see a lot of this argyle type material. Behind it, you got the olive green and blue up top, and then you got the red and black flannel. So it's red and black flannel at the bottom, and then your olive and navy blue flannel up top, right behind that white pigeon. Really dope contrast, really dope color. Retail price on this piece, $44. So that's $48 and $44. Already 90 bucks. 2 pieces. And we still got a whole 3 more pieces to go. Now, I seen a lot of these before. Oh, this is fire. Now, this is a crew neck. Oh, I didn't even know that was on the back. This is incredible. All right, now this piece, I don't know if it's gonna wash out, but you got this pigeon embroidered all around the right side of the chest, all around the back hip of the crew neck. On the back, you got ice cold along the shoulder blades. This is from the Coca-Cola collab with Staple Pigeons, and you can see on the left chest, you got your Coca-Cola branding, and on the left sleeve, you got your Coca-Cola branding. This piece retails $82 by itself. I paid $75 for the whole haul. At the bottom left, you got your 1886. I'm pretty sure that's when Coca-Cola was founded. On the bottom left. 2 more pieces. Bear with me. This is going way better than I anticipated. I'm just gonna tell you right off rip, this piece cost $58 retail. Another Coca-Cola piece, another long sleeve tee. Fire heavy piece. Coca-Cola staple on the right chest. Coca-Cola classic across the entire back. As you can also see, you know how Coca-Cola branding has like a swoosh across the midsole like Snickers. Across the midriff and where your stomach is. All down the left sleeve, you got Coca-Cola branding. Then I believe this is Coca-Cola branding in like the Asian countries. Same thing on the right sleeve. All around the back. Crazy. One last piece. One last thing, then we're gonna finish this out. Try to rush. This hoodie costs $72 retail. Look at this. You got your Staples hoodie. It says War Renowned. You got Riot here, 1975, multicolor. You got your yellow left sleeve with caution, Riot in progress on the right sleeve. You got your Riot in progress in red on the right. This is the left. Black hoodie. Nothing on the back, I don't believe. But there's enough on the front to make up for that 1975 at the bottom on that. On the yellow tab down there. I tried to run through that as quick as I could. Y'all let me know how I did in the comment box down below. Let me finish the video in a second. Alright y'all, man, I want to thank y'all again for coming to watch another one of my videos, man. This was way better than I anticipated, man. I was excited. I should have been more excited because I've just been sitting in the house right along with those Fear Gods that it took me forever to open as well. But I'm not going to be able to wear any of this stuff unless it's a really cool day, because I got all long sleeves and a hoodie. So, but anyway, man, this stuff is going to be this is really dope. I'm really excited about it. Like I said, I'll put the total retail versus what I actually paid for each piece on the screen somewhere, and you'll be able to tell me if I got away with armed robbery on this. And there was still a few things that I missed out on. There was like There was a bubble coat on there. They only wanted like $30 for, like some jean jackets with all types of for like 25. Like they really that 24-hour span, I'm sure they moved a lot of product. But anyway, that's enough rambling. I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. Like I said, if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the team, join the movement, and we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. It really don't matter, man. Just engage with your boy, man. Let me know how you feel about the video, and OV.